Hello my friends, welcome to HD Interiors. In today's video, we're excited to explore the top IKEA kitchen cabinet designs for 2024. If you're planning to remodel your kitchen or simply want to stay updated on the latest trends, you're in the right place. From sleek modern styles to timeless classics, IKEA has a range of options to suit every taste and budget. We'll take you through some of the most popular designs, highlighting their unique features and benefits. Let's dive in and discover the perfect cabinets for your dream kitchen. IKEA is renowned for offering stylish, affordable, and highly functional kitchen cabinets that cater to a variety of tastes and needs. Their cabinets are designed to be versatile, allowing you to create a customized kitchen that perfectly fits your space and lifestyle. Whether you're looking for modern minimalism, classic elegance, or something in between, IKEA has a wide range of options to choose from. In this video, we'll explore some of the top designs that IKEA has to offer, showcasing their unique features and helping you find the best fit for your kitchen. Our first highlight is the SEKTION System, IKEA's flagship modular kitchen cabinet system. The SEKTION System is celebrated for its incredible versatility and customization options. You can mix and match different modules to create a kitchen layout that perfectly fits your space and needs. Within the SEKTION System, you have a variety of styles to choose from. For a classic look, consider the BODBYN series, which features traditional raised panel doors and is available in timeless shades like gray, white, and off-white. If you prefer a sleek, modern aesthetic, the VOXTORP series is an excellent choice with its handle-less design and smooth finishes in matte white or high-gloss gray. For those who love the warmth of wood, the ASKERSUND series offers a beautiful wood effect finish, available in both light ash and dark brown ash. The SEKTION System not only looks great but is also designed for durability. With soft closing drawers and doors, you can enjoy a quiet and smooth kitchen experience. Plus, the adjustable shelves and interior organizers help you keep everything neatly in place. Next, let's explore the METOD System, which is the primary kitchen cabinet solution for IKEA in Europe. Much like the SEKTION System, METOD offers exceptional flexibility and customization. This system allows you to design a kitchen that fits your specific needs with various cabinet sizes, colors, and finishes. The METOD system stands out for its durability and user-friendly features. It includes options for soft closing doors and drawers, ensuring a quiet and smooth operation. The system also supports a range of configurations and interior fittings, so you can personalize your kitchen with accessories like pull-out shelves, built-in trash bins, and spice racks. In terms of aesthetics, METOD provides a wide selection of styles to match different tastes. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more traditional design, you can find the perfect fit. METOD's clean lines and high-quality materials make it a popular choice for creating both contemporary and classic kitchens. The AXSTAD cabinets are a fantastic choice for those who love a classic, shaker-style design. With their clean lines and understated elegance, AXSTAD cabinets bring a timeless charm to any kitchen. Available in matte white and matte dark blue, these cabinets offer a sophisticated look that fits well with both traditional and modern decor. One of the standout features of AXSTAD cabinets is their high-quality construction. The shaker-style doors are designed with a refined, recessed panel that adds depth and character to your kitchen. The matte finishes are not only stylish but also practical, helping to hide fingerprints and smudges while maintaining a pristine appearance. AXSTAD cabinets are also highly versatile. They can be easily paired with various countertop materials, backsplash designs, and hardware to create a cohesive and personalized kitchen design. Whether you're aiming for a cozy, country-inspired kitchen or a more polished, refined space, AXSTAD cabinets provide a classic foundation that can be customized to your liking. The BODBYN cabinets offer a blend of traditional charm and modern functionality. Featuring a distinctive raised panel design, these cabinets provide a classic look with a contemporary twist. Available in versatile colors such as gray, white, and off-white, BODBYN cabinets can easily complement a variety of kitchen styles, from rustic to refined. A notable feature of the BODBYN series is the option to include glass doors. This addition allows you to showcase your favorite kitchenware or decorative items, adding a touch of elegance and personalization to your space. The combination of solid and glass doors creates visual interest and helps break up the monotony of a fully closed cabinet setup. BODBYN cabinets are built with durability in mind, featuring robust construction and soft closing mechanisms for smooth operation. Their traditional design is perfect for creating a warm, inviting kitchen atmosphere while maintaining modern conveniences. The VOXTORP cabinets are ideal for those who favor a sleek, modern aesthetic. Known for their handle-less design, VOXTORP cabinets offer a smooth and streamlined look that enhances the contemporary feel of your kitchen. Available in both matte white and high-gloss gray finishes, these cabinets reflect light and create a sense of space and brightness in your kitchen. One of the key benefits of VOXTORP cabinets is their minimalistic design. Without traditional handles, the cabinets have a clean, seamless appearance that contributes to a clutter-free and modern kitchen environment. The high-gloss finish not only looks stylish but also makes it easier to clean, as it resists fingerprints and smudges. VOXTORP cabinets are designed with practicality in mind. They feature soft-closing doors and drawers, ensuring quiet and smooth operation. Additionally, the system includes various internal accessories and organization solutions to keep your kitchen items neatly arranged and easily accessible. ASKERSUND cabinets are perfect for adding a touch of natural warmth to your kitchen with their wood effect finish. Available in light ash effect and dark brown ash effect, these cabinets replicate the look of real wood, providing a cozy, inviting feel while being more practical and cost-effective. The wood effect finish offers a sophisticated look that can complement both modern and traditional kitchen designs. Built with durable materials and soft closing mechanisms, ASKERSUND cabinets combine style with functionality, ensuring they stand up to everyday use while enhancing your kitchen's aesthetic. Kungsbacka cabinets are a top choice for those prioritizing sustainability. Made from recycled materials, these cabinets offer a modern, eco-friendly option with finishes in matte black and anthracite. Their sleek design fits well in contemporary kitchens and helps to maintain a clean look, resisting fingerprints and smudges. Built with durable materials and soft closing mechanisms, Kungsbacka cabinets are both stylish and practical, providing an environmentally conscious solution without compromising on quality or functionality. Litarp cabinets bring a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen with their black-stained finish. Made from solid wood and veneer, these cabinets offer both durability and a high-quality feel. The traditional design, complemented by optional glass doors, adds a classic and inviting atmosphere to any kitchen space. The rich black stain enhances the natural grain of the wood, creating a sophisticated look that pairs well with a variety of styles, from classic to modern. Litarp cabinets are built to last and provide a timeless aesthetic that stands up to everyday use. Torum cabinets are ideal for those who appreciate the natural look of solid wood. Made from ash, these cabinets bring a warm, organic touch to your kitchen with their classic frame design. The natural grain and light finish enhance the kitchen's aesthetic, providing a timeless and sophisticated look. The sturdy construction of Torum cabinets ensures long-lasting durability, while the natural wood finish adds a welcoming atmosphere to your kitchen. Their versatile design fits well with various styles, making them a practical and elegant choice for any home. Ringhult cabinets are perfect for achieving a modern, high-gloss look. Available in white and gray, these cabinets reflect light beautifully, making your kitchen appear brighter and more spacious. The glossy finish not only adds a sleek, contemporary touch, but also helps to keep surfaces clean by minimizing fingerprints and smudges. Designed for durability and ease of use, Ringhult cabinets feature soft closing doors and drawers that operate smoothly. Their modern appearance and practical features make them a stylish choice for a contemporary kitchen setting. That concludes our exploration of the top IKEA kitchen cabinet designs for 2024. From the sleek and modern VOXTORP to the rustic charm of Litarp, IKEA offers a variety of styles to fit any kitchen aesthetic. Whether you're drawn to the classic appeal of AXSTAD or the eco-friendly design of Kungsbacka, each option brings unique features and benefits to your home. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect cabinets for your kitchen transformation. For more home decor tips and design inspiration, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.